Hey there, it's Jenna, and today I'm going to walk you through how to bake turkey legs in the oven. So if you want to make those like Disney style Cappy Cat turkey legs, but in the oven, this recipe is for you. I also have a version on how to smoke turkey legs and how to air fry them too, all on the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get it seasoned up. So you prep the turkey legs for baking them by patting them dry with paper towels, and then season the turkey leg meat by brushing them all over with butter or olive oil, and cover them with your favorite barbecue rub, or you could also use any sort of poultry seasoning blend. Usually anything works for these. Massage in the seasonings and cover the whole thing on a sheet tray with some foil. And you want to bake the turkey legs in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Now they're only halfway done baking at this point. What you want to do is take them out of the oven and increase the temperature of the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that's going on, you want to brush the turkey legs with some melted butter and make sure to just leave the seasoning intact, otherwise it'll kind of move around on there. Pop them back in the oven to bake without the foil for about 20 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's when they're ready to eat. You just want to rest them a few minutes, let them cool, and enjoy. Print out the recipe at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!